it's Sonia and Matt of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Welcome back to our daily vlog. Today we're gonna do a little bit of junkin'. It's Sunday. Sundays are made for relaxing and fun and putting your feet up and going out junkin', right? So there is a Goodwill in our area. We just pulled in here. I'm excited to go see what's inside, and I have to tell you, the parking lot already has a ton of people in it, but I just saw somebody bring out a Christmas tree. I don't know what we're gonna find inside, but people are bringing out things, Christmassy things. So let's go see. Works. I think we can plug this in and find out if this works. We are back in the van. There's still people pulling at bags of stuff that I just saw walk in front of me, going to their cars. Lots of good stuff in there today, guys. I've never been to a Goodwill that has so much Christmas stuff on display. I was not expecting expecting that today. It was a good thing. And this is why when you're out junking and thrifting that you'll never know what you're going to find. I said to the ladies at the counter how nice their store looked, all decked out. And yes, I find, what about you, that every single Goodwill or every single thrift store has its own vibe about it. This one is so clean, and I said to the ladies up front how nice it was, and the one lady was like, it's all her, and she decorated the store. What a beautiful job that she did. So tomorrow they told me that there is another Christmas truck coming in with a bunch of stuff, so I may come back again tomorrow. You know, I'm not ready to decorate myself for Christmas just yet. I am still enjoying fall at the moment until December the 1st comes, but good to collect and have it ready to go so we can decorate the house together. They also told me that on Black Friday they're having a, what was it, 60% off sale? I think it was something like that, 60% off store-wide. So you might want to check your local Goodwill because 60% off store-wide, yeah, that could be really good savings. But getting here early before it gets all picked over, there's lots to be said for that too. All right, let's drive back and I'll show you a few things that I found here. All that junkin' makes a girl hungry. I have not had a grilled cheese sandwich in so long, and sometimes it's the most simple things that just bring you so much joy. So I gotta tell you that this is the bread, and I think I showed this in another vlog a while back that I've been loving on. It is Dave's bread, and this particular kind right here, it's called Power Seed. I just made myself the most delicious grilled cheese sandwich on my George Foreman grill, and this bread is like, it's got so many seeds, it's so hearty, it's so delicious. I said to Matt, tomorrow we should totally do grilled cheese and tomato soup. So I picked up a few things at that Goodwill today. I gotta show you, it made me so happy just being in there. Like I said, they had it so beautifully decorated. Kudos to that girl, and I think I might go back tomorrow. I'm curious to see because she said load. We're getting another load tomorrow. So after we went to that specific Goodwill, then we actually went to a second Goodwill. You'll see that tomorrow on the vlog. I hit that one up as well because they're only like 15-20 minutes apart, so I had to check it. And you know what, it proved my thoughts right, that not all Goodwills are created equal, managed equal, decorated equal, because they did not have Christmas stuff like this one today had. I'm telling ya. So I gotta go back there. All right, this is one of the pieces I got today, guys. Is he not sweet? This guy was $3.99. He looks a little more high-end, so I'm not sure what he was originally priced at, but I thought he was beautiful. I loved his scarf, the red, the speckles, the teal that's on him. And when I see pieces like this, I just think, you know, when you decorate for the seasons, you don't have to go all out. Sometimes it's putting something like a little Mr. Snowman here. Well, he's not so little. He's got some junk in the trunk right there, quite literally. But just putting something like Mr. Snowman here looks all cute next to your soap pump or your soap dish, into your bathroom, onto your vanity, something like that, right? Just really, really small items. This little piece right here made me so happy I had to grab it. I paid $1.99 for it. And it is just a little base that you would put a Christmas candle into. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go Christmas candle shopping, guys. What do you guys think? Should we do that? Maybe check out and see what we can find around for the best prices and find some really good candle smells. So what do you think of this one? Let me know below. When I saw this, I had to grab it. It says that it is a luminary, Maker's Holiday Luminary. I paid $1.99 for it. I like stuff like this too. I like stuff that's wipeable and hard, so when I do get it from a thrift store, I'm not somebody who tends to gravitate towards like a lot of fabric stuff, but I do like stuff that I can take out for example, disinfectant wipe and clean all these things over. So this is a tin. It's got the rubber little feet on the bottom of it, and it says "'Tis the season," and I liked it because these letters are cut out. Can you see here the green on the inside? And you just, again, you can put like some tea lights in there if you want to, and really bring it to life. So this is gonna be cool for my Christmas setup. Matt saw this one as he saw me take this one off the shelf, and he's like, "Ooh, this is one that kind of will go with it." I'm like, "Yeah, let's do it, babe." So this is, I paid $1.99 for this luminary, and this one has the cutout snowman on it, and it says "Think Snow." Same idea. Ooh, let's see here. Same idea. Ain't she sweet? Right there. Again, wipeable. So we are all about that. This was something I found that was in such great shape. I mean, I didn't see any dust onto it. It looks like it was stored really nice. It looks brand spanking new, and also I plugged it in before I left the store to make sure that it works as well. I paid 99 cents for this star. We'll plug it in and I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. This could be a tree topper. This could be part of some garland that we put out, and we just want to make it twinkle, you know, put it on your buffet and mix this in amongst like a nice swag of, which I also want to see if I can find some good swags for some decorating across, like, you know, you put it across your mantles or across your buffet or little pieces like that, across your window seal. But this will be a really cool star to plug in, so I can't wait to do that. It's wicker and it's got sparkles all over it, guys. So that's the quick things that I grabbed today when I was in there, and yeah, it was just awesome to get out and thrift. I didn't pay a whole lot for this. So tell me, have you started decorating for Christmas? Are you gonna wait a little bit longer? Have you started to collect it to get ready to put it out? And I wanna know, do you have a big Christmas stash? Like, do you have a big collection to the point that you don't even have to shop for Christmas this year? Let me know below, will ya? Yep, one person's junk is another person's treasure. Let me plug it into the socket under here, guys. I will untangle the cord later, but I wanted to show you that it does work. Look at that. How beautiful is that? At the end of the day, if you have any wicker or anything in your house, just go to the dollar store, get yourself some white lights and wrap it around, plug it in, and you can recreate it too. On tomorrow's show, I will show you some footage of the thrift store that I also hit after this particular Goodwill, show you what I found, and tomorrow we are going to paint together and flip one of those pieces. If you love my channel, I would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, and leave me a comment below. Yeah, tell me, where are you with your whole Christmas thing? Do you shop at thrift stores for Christmas stuff? Yeah, let me know. What do you do? All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.